Hey guys, it's Michael from Devoted to Vinyl, and in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the House of Marley Stir It Up Turntable.
So the first thing I'm going to discuss is installing the drive belt. Now the drive belt comes pre-installed on the underside of the metal platter, which is of course great to see. That means that all you have to do is place the platter over the spindle on the turntable and then carefully pull the drive belt around the motor pulley so that the platter can now rotate with ease. And because this turntable has a built-in phono preamp, once you attach the counterweight and remove the stylus guard, you're pretty much ready to go. The built-in phono preamp can be turned off if you have an external preamp you prefer using, but I decided to test this turntable with the built-in phono preamp. I connected it to the A2 input of my Cambridge CX A60 amplifier. The manual recommends keeping the anti-skate adjustment at the minimum setting, which I did. I then threw on a Mariah Carey record to see how vocals and instruments would be handled. Overall, I was pretty happy with what I heard. The sound was nice, even, and pleasant to the ear. The sound filled the room nicely, although the music did feel a bit compressed and undefined in some areas. You get solid sound here with the House of Marley Stir It Up turntable. Just don't expect a nice, wide soundstage, sparkling clear vocals, or excellent instrument separation. That's just too much to ask for a turntable that costs less than $200. But I think if someone wants a visually appealing turntable with very solid sound and a record player that won't break the bank, this one might be perfect for you.
The Stir It Up turntable also has a built-in auto stop feature. So if it gets to the last track of your record and you happen to get a phone call or maybe you just fall asleep, the turntable will turn off.
Now, this record player also plays 45 RPM records, and it does so very nicely. First, I love that the 45 RPM adapter sits on a small knob on the turntable plinth. Simply place the adapter directly onto the spindle, and then place your record over the adapter. Once you rotate the speed knob from 33 RPM to 45 RPM, you'll be spinning your favorite 7-inch record or occasionally 12-inch record in no time. I wanted to also mention one issue I ran into that was completely my mistake, but it might be helpful for someone watching this video. When I first started testing this turntable, I noticed that each record I tried to play kept skipping over and over again. After troubleshooting the problem, I realized the issue was with the counterweight. As you can see, I hadn't fully pushed the counterweight all the way onto the tone arm.
So embarrassing. How does that happen? Wow.
Once I finally did that, which you can see in this photo, every record I tested played perfectly with no problem. Overall, this is a very nice turntable that looks considerably more premium than its peers in this sub $200 price range. The House of Marley Stir It Up turntable isn't perfect, but does offer good, solid sound and plug-and-play ability for those looking for a vinyl experience free of long setups and complicated instructions.
So that's about it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed my review of the House of Marley Stir It Up turntable. And if you did, please hit that like button down below. You know I always appreciate it when you do that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Devoted to Vinyl, if you want to be alerted whenever a new video drops. And if you're looking for more helpful information, reviews, or just news related to the vinyl hobby, don't forget to check out my website, devotedtovinyl.com. And as always, I want to leave you guys with the question: do you think that the House of Marley Stir It Up turntable is a turntable that you would consider if you were in the market for a new record player? Please leave your comments down below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. And once again, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.